Okay students, this is the last one, group data, but with the keyword with a class interval. This is what we refer as class interval. Can you see? There is a selang class. So contoh, example, you saw the marks. 0 to 4, 2 students. 5 to 9, 4 students. 10 to 14, 2 students. So when I total this up, this is going to be 8. This is what we call sum of F, because the number of students represent F. Now, what is X then? X is what we call midpoint. Okay, how do I find midpoint? We go here. How do I get the midpoint? The formula or the easy way is 0 plus 4 divide 2. So when I take my calculator, which all of us no need to do that, because 4 over 2 all of us know is already 2. Alright, okay, now the next one is 7, the next one is 12. How do you get without the working, sir? Very simple. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are there? 5. I repeat, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 5 numbers. So what did I do? So I got for the first one. For the subsequent one, I just plus 5. I plus 5. That's how I got the values of 7 and 12. The shortcut version. Okay, now how to get fx? We did it just now. How do I get fx? Fx is you take f times with the x here. You take this, you times with this. You take this, you times with this. So from there you get 4, 28, 24. So the total of this represents sum of fx. Alright, sum of fx. So if I take my calculator now, when I take my calculator, I get 4 plus 28 plus 24. I get 56. This is how I get my fx. So from here, I can find my mean. The formula, sum of fx divided by sum of f. 56 divided by 8. This one normal maths also can. You know the answer is 7. That's how I got my mean. We already calculated the mean. So the next we are going to go standard deviation. Okay, let's go for the standard deviation. Okay, we go for the last part, standard deviation. So we calculated mean just now. We are going to go for standard deviation. So you saw this and this, no change, same as just now. X u square, 7 u square, 12 u square. So what is this going to be? 4, 49, 144. That is what we get here. So next, how do I get this value? So to get this value, 2 times 4, 8. Again, I repeat, 2 times 4. 2 times 4, 8. Next, 4 times 49. Okay, 49 times 4. You get 196. Alright, the other one, 288, where you take this and you times with 144. Okay, now we're going to take the calculator. We're going to total all these up, my dear students. So we're going to total all these up. So we take the calculator. Alright, 8 plus 196 plus 288, 492. This is the sum of the fx squared, which you're going to fill up here. So after that is to plug out info that we have done here, and we are going to fill it up. Okay, so let's start. Okay, sum of fx squared 492 divide 8 in bracket 56 8 square. Okay, now we come to the calculator. We are going to take the calculator and we are going to key in all this. So square root 492 over 8 minus in bracket 56 over 8 close the bracket square. So you have your answer 3.536 if I were to write in 4 significant figure. So this is how we need to know how to calculate standard deviation.